What makes a hardware root of trust a more future-proof foundation compared to software-only security mechanisms?
So first of all, hardware root of trust is used to store sensitive or confidential data and to operate cryptographic function. Software root of trust we have seen in the past have offering and shown more vulnerability against cyber attacks. And that's the reason that hardware root of trust is more secure.
Why has Wibu-Systems always believed in combining software encryption with hardware-based anchors like secure elements?
Yeah, our protection principles at Wibu-Systems belong on encryption, and we try to make the mechanisms public. So according to Kirchhoff's principle, so only the secure storage of the cryptographic keys is the most important thing. And we can store that cryptographic keys together with the license conditions either in a signed and encrypted file bound to a fingerprint of the target device in the cloud or in a secure element. And it depends on the threat scenario which is the best, but having it stored in a secure element, which is a security controller, even certified according to common criteria, AEL5+, it gives a very high level of security for the storage of the cryptographic keys, plus the benefit of high availability because it's working local, connected to the systems. It doesn't require any connection. And there are applications in industrial automation, in process automation, in medical equipment, where this is for availability and reliability issues necessary as well.
Mhm.
We have been talking about hybrid threats for several years. What new challenges does cybersecurity face in this context?
So I would start first with a statement from Ursula von der Leyen from the European Commission. She stated in 2021, anything which is connected can be hacked. In 2022, we have seen this Ukraine-Russian war. And since this time, we are talking on hybrid threat. That means we have multiple attack scenario, not only military, but also one corner is cyber attacks from public authority. And we see now that many ministries, for example, in German Ministry of Interior, in European, the Commission, are talking on hybrid threat, and they have also on their webpage different definition about this from the political point of view. We as Infineon have created together in the Charter of Trust along the last Munich Security Conference in 2025 in February, an industrial paper which show the industrial view on hybrid threat, and two challenges are addressed in this paper. One is AI, cybersecurity, and AI, the combination, and the second is quantum computing attacks in the future. So both are addressed and both are on the radar screen for the Infineon product portfolio and development.
What added value do secure elements bring to software licensing, beyond just protecting against piracy or reverse engineering?
Critical applications, critical industries are part of the critical infrastructure. So ISVs and IDMs must make sure that their devices, their products are working as they should work. And for that, having a secure element that is able to store the cryptographic keys in a highly secure way, secure against manipulation attacks, secure against theft, will give all these benefits that the devices and the applications are secure against reverse engineering, are secure against tampering and manipulation, and can work reliable.
How is Infineon preparing to support European software vendors in aligning with upcoming security regulations and sovereignty goals?
So first of all, we see some trends in industrial IoT. For example, condition monitoring needs access to machines, needs digital twins. And with this, you need identification of products and machines. Second, on the European Cyber Resilience Act, there's the expand of the service up to 5 years for software updates, for firmware updates, for security updates. And for this, you need also digital identities and digital credentials of machines of products. And Infineon is offering such kind of products to solve these topics of digital identities. And this is, for our point of view, the next big challenge in the industrial IoT market.
How do you view Europe's opportunity to lead in secure digital transformation with the new regulations and EU acts?
I see an enormous opportunity for Europe to use the standards, to use the new European acts on different topics, really to implement these security mechanisms, these update mechanisms to keep products secure over the life cycle, to make sure that they work fine today. So with this European acts that sometimes are felt as hard additional work only for device manufacturers and manufacturers of products, it's not only this, it's a big chance to make the products in a very secure way and to give Europe a chance to be leading on secure operation of products.
Maybe I can add one point. In the last 10 to 15 years, the Commission's view was more on safety regulation, CE for safety. Now we have this paradigm shift, and now the second side of the coin, security, comes into the game.